Okay, so hello everybody. You're welcome to today's tutorial, and I'm very glad today to be your tutor. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's just dive deep into what we are trying to do for today, the agenda for today. Okay, so the last time we left off with our Python interpreter we installed on our PC, and we had Python on our PC. So we needed a place to type our code. And it's very possible that you can type your code in the interpreter space or in the terminal or in the console or whatever you call it, or in the command prompt and run your code and to be able to run priority for you or to be able to run well for you. But then you need a very rich place to type our code that you can receive suggestions or you can receive things like autocomplete. That's why you have test editors like VS Code, advanced test. You have many test editors and you have IDs, integrated development environment, which are more rich and very heavy. So but today, I've chosen that we should use VS Code, but then only test editor that we choose will be okay. Any test editor apart from VS Code will work and work correctly for you. But I like VS Code. VS Code is one of the best test editors that I like very much. So I would like us to download VS Code, or if you prefer another test editor, you can download like there's something like Sublime Test, there's Python, anyone that you prefer. So let's just go forward and download VS Code. So download VS Code is not difficult. Just type download VS Code in your browser. So download VS Code, then press enter. So the first link that will come, I think probably it might be the best method. It might be the one that has VS Code. So the one that has the setup is download VS Code, Mac, Linux, the Windows. So you just go through and then click on this link. So if you click on this link, you will see this interface. So the next thing we do is just go straight. If you're using Windows, click on the Windows to download the setup. If you're using any Linux distro, just click on one of them. If you're using Ubuntu or Debian, you click on this one. If you're using Florida or Florida, Fedora or something like Red Hat, you just click this one. And if you're using Mac or if you're using Apple laptop, you download Mac. Yeah, so I am on VS Code too. After I'm on Windows, so we have a continue which is for it to download Windows setup. So and I click on Windows setup and they're telling me to start downloading rest of it. So let me put it on my download. So you will navigate to wherever you want to store the setup. Yeah, so I'm saving my setup in the download. You click download, then it has finished downloading. Okay, so depending on your network, it might take uh, time, or if you have better network as I have, or even more better than I, it will take very, very short time. The size is very small. So after that, you can click or you can navigate to wherever you saw you save the setup, then double click on it to run it. If you see this one, just click run, then it will this one. Okay, so you have to access the VS Code agreement to be able to install it. If you choose not to access, you can never go for it. For example, you have accepted it, then the next step is to click next install. So here VS Code gives us options to install the VS Code in case you want to create a desktop shortcut. If you want a desktop shortcut to be on your desktop, you select this one. Then uh, mostly I don't like VS Code to be on my desktop actually. For the sake of it, so let me just post it there. You can select all of these options, but I prefer you choose the last one. Like you select the last one. I prefer you that it will add VS Code to directly to your environment tab so that you can access it through your command prompt or your terminal or your console. Yeah. So then we click next, then you install. If you just click it's installing and it will finish very soon. Okay, so how VS Code is installing, let me start in this moment. Please, if you like my videos or if you like my content, please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and also like so that our videos will go for our YouTube algorithm. We'll be able to send our videos for. The video code is done now, so let's go straight. Uh, if you have installed VS Code and everything is successful, you find that VS Code. Uh, uh, you can take uh, this space and click on finish. If you click on that one and click on finish, it will open VS Code for you. But because I had VS Code installed already on my machine, it didn't show me a window to select my team. But then, if you don't have VS Code or if this is your first time installing VS Code, you find a window will pop up to select the kind of team you want. So you select whether you want white window or you want dark one. So you select uh, any of them that you want. Then after that, you come here, then you close it. You just close it. It might not be this same welcome window on your own because it's the first time you're installing. But if it's not your first time, you can all of them you have to close this one. So close it this way. So after closing it this way, uh, you have to uh, you have to click a Python file. Okay, right now currently our VS Code is done. We have finished installing our VS Code. So the next thing we have to do is to open our project or whatever you are working on in our VS Code. So to open your project in your VS Code, uh, as the video project, I'll show you more steps to make things easier for you, but because of tutorial or because of uh, because most of us are beginners, let's follow the beginner's pattern. Okay, so we just click on this one to open the folder. So you navigate to where your project is stored. In case you don't have any Python project, there's no problem. Uh, I prefer you saving it, you creating a new folder on desktop. So you navigate to desktop, then I click, then select new, then click a new folder. So let me name this Python project. Okay, Python. Uh, so yes, you can name it any name, any folder name you want. That's where your Python code or your code will be stored. Okay, so I created this folder and it's called Python project. So the next thing I'll do to open the project or the folder in my VS Code is to select folder. So in case I select folder like this, VS Code will automatically open the folder. That's what I was within your Python project. So there's nothing in that folder. I can navigate to uh, my desktop folder. This is the folder that we created. So there's nothing in the folder. So for us to be able to run Python uh, in our VS Code, the first thing you must do is you must create a Python file. Yeah, so to create a Python file, just search for this icon, then click on this new file. So if you click on this file, it will give you it says to input your file name. So let's just go straight for you can name it any name you want. I would like to name it my first Python, first Python. Then this one is very important. Every Python file must end with .py or it must have the extension of .py. So every Python if file that you are writing, it must end with C. If it's Java file, it must end with .java. If it's many languages have their own extensions. If it's Rust, it must end with .rs. In case you are writing Python code, it must end with .py. So that py the the laptop will be able to know, okay, this file is a Python file. So to create a Python file, you type your name, the preferred name you want, then dot, then you add the py. So in case you type the py, VS Code will automatically know that okay, this is a Python file. It will show you, it will turn it into this icon. So right now we have finished typing our file name. So you just click, you just type tab on enter. Then if you don't have Python extension installed on your PCR, then this one will come this one will come up. If you want to install recommended Python extension from Microsoft for the Python language, you can choose to click install for it to install for you. So if you click install, it will to open this tab, then it will start installing Python for you. Anyway, if you don't receive that prompt and you use to install Python manually, what you can do is uh, you can search for extension, which is on the left side of your video screen. So if you navigate to the left side, you find a place for extension. You just click on the extension, then clean everything that's here. Then what you have to do is to type Python. So if you type Python, all Python extensions will come. You have Python in them, Python extension. We have different extensions for Python. And the most important one that will use run our Python code is this Python from Microsoft. So you will see Python, then you see IntelliSense, then you see Microsoft written under it. So if you see Microsoft, that's the Python that we'll be using. So because I already uh, clicked on install here, it's automatically installed. But in case you don't receive that one, you can click if you navigate to this page, you find here install here, then you just click on the install. Okay, so right now currently we have Python extension also installed on in our VS Code. So right now you can run our Python in our VS Code. So to test this, we do it this way to test that our Python file is running as we did in the last tutorial. We just type Python in the console or Python in the command prompt, then it activated Python for us and we printed hello world to our console. So we will do exactly the same here. So the first thing we'll do is to type things. As you start typing, it will pop up autocomplete for you. So you can just click enter for it to auto-complete it for you, or you can type it uh, manually if you want. It depends on you. So print, then open and close bracket, then inverted commas. Yeah. You type hello world. We have our hello world here. Then you see this icon here, run icon. Then you click on the run. So if you click on the run, you see that icon after open the terminal or open the console, and you find hello world printed in your console. So basically, this is what we have done, and we would like to continue in the next video to see more things that we can do with our Python. So the agenda for today is uh, first we installed VS Code and we have installed Python extension also in our VS Code so we can run Python in our VS Code. Thank you for watching. Make sure if you like this video, click on the like button or also subscribe so that the channel will grow and we can bring more content or more Python videos to you. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.